Students, let us start with multiplication. We have 75 into 23. They are written in the place values of ones and tens. 5 and 3 are in ones place, 7 and 2 are in the tens place. Now let us start multiplying. Before multiplying, we need to know that 75 multiplied by 23. There are two places. You see, one is in green and one is in blue. First we multiply by 3 and then by 2. So now let us cover 2 and start with 3. 5 3s are 15. So there are two numbers, 1 and 5. We cannot write two numbers in one block. We write just one single digit. So 5 and carry 1. Then we have 7 into 3. So let's multiply 7 3s are, it is 21. But then we have a carry 1 here. So 21 plus 1 will give you 22. You write each number in a single block. Now let's take the next number, that is 2. Now before doing that, we see a carry 1 there. Let's cross it out because it might interfere with another sum. And then second thing we need to do is, under 5 you put either x or 0. Now we take the next number. We see that it's a place value. So what is 5 2s are 10. So we write one number 0 and carry 1. One number in one block. Then we have 7 2s are 14 plus 1 would give me 15. So we write 1 and 5. So we write 5. There's no spaces. So let's put another line there. So it's 1 and 5. Now once we do this, we go to step 3. Now in this case, we have to add the results from multiplying each digit starting at the right end. So we first write plus, and now 5 plus x. If not x, it's 0. So 5 plus 0 would be 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. And 1 as it is. So when we multiply 75 into 23, we get the result 1725. Let's take another number. 286 into 45. Always the bigger number on top and a smaller number down. Now let us multiply. Again, see the bottom numbers, we have 45. We will first start with 5 and then go to 4. So let's cover them up. We'll take one number at one time. So let's start with 5. So we have 6, 8 and 2. We multiply all that with 5. And then we have 4. We multiply again 6, 8 and 2 with 4. So let us start by doing with the last digit, that is 5. 5 6 are 30. Now there are again two digits. I said in each block you write just one number. So carry 3 and 0 down, 30. 8 5s are 40. Plus 3 would be 43. So again two digits. So we write 3 here and 4 on top. That is 43. The next we go to 2 5s are 10. 10 plus carry 4 on top. So 10 plus 4 would give me 14. So again two numbers. So in each block 1. So 4 and 1. So 14 you write there. Now the next step we do is we cross out the numbers which we have carried. We have 4 and 3. So let us first cancel them out. We put a cross and 4 and 3, and that number the cross you can write it down below 0. So we write it down because we are starting with 4. Now next we go to 6 4s are 24. Again two numbers, so carry 2 and write 4 down. So 2 will get carried. Now 8 4s are, next we do 32. Plus 2 will give you 34. So let's carry 2. So 34, again two digits. So write 4 and carry 3. 4 2s are is 8. 8 plus 3 would give you 11. Again two digits. So write 1 and 1. Make it 11. Now the third step is, let us add them up, the result. So let's add. We have 4x into 0, that's 0. 4 plus 3 would be 7. 4 plus 4 would be 8. 1 plus 1 would be 2. And you have 1. So when you multiply for 286 into 45, you get 12870. Let's take the third sum. We said always the bigger. Let us multiply with 4 now. 9 4s are 36. So you write 6 and carry 3. 8 4s are 32. But you have a carry 3 there. 32 plus 3 would give you 35. So write 5 and carry 3. Next we have 9 4s are 36. 36 and 3 would give you 39. So we write 9 down and we carry 3. 3 into 4 is 12 and you have carry 3 there. So we add. 12 plus 3 would give me 15. Now we finish with 4. So the next rule is cancel all those numbers which are written on top. And that x, you can put it down below. The last digit is 6. So let us put x under 6. We need to multiply. So that place is empty, so we put x. Now, so under 0, we are going to multiply. Now we have 0 multiplied all the digits on top. So 0 9s would give me 0. 0 8s would be 0. 0 9s 0. And 0 into 3 is again 0. Now we have to move to the third number, but we don't have anything to carry. But still, the place of 7, wherever it is, there we have to start doing the sums. So it is here, but there are two places behind it. So in both the places we have to put x. So we now start with 7 9s. Now we do 7 9s is 63. So we write 6 carry and 3 down. Next it's 8 7s 56. But we have 6 on top. Let's add to it. We get 62. Carry 6 and 2. Next it's 9 7s 63. Let's add 6 to it. We get 69. So let's write 9 down and carry 6. 7 3s 21 plus 6 on top. So 21 plus 6 will give me 27. Come on, let's write 27. We said one number in one place. So 27. Now the last step, we have to add them up. So let's add it. We need to add them up now. So let's add them up. We have to add all the three numbers. So 6 x into x, that's nothing but 0. So 6 will give you just 6 down. Then we have 5 plus 0 would give me 5. 9 plus 3 would be 12. So write 2 down and carry 1. So now we have 5, 2 and 1. So let's do 5 plus 1 is 6 plus 2 8. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 0 and carry 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. So let's write 8 down. And the last number is 2. So hope you understood the sums. Thank you.